Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to explore on how to connect Mailchimp to Canva. So let's begin. Now make sure you have your logins ready. So if you don't have an account yet, on the upper right corner, you can click on sign up now. And you have two options here. You can continue with your Google account, or you can continue another way, which would lead you to continue using one of these accounts: Apple, Google, Facebook, Microsoft, Clever, or continue with your email or login with your mobile. Now, once you're logged in the interface of Canva on the left side of the panel, just go down to any templates that you can use. And say, for example, we're using this one, the brand concept. You can customize this logo or this template right here. Now, when you hover to the template builder, now all of these are customizable, and for you to be able to connect your Canva account to your Mailchimp account, you need to go to the upper right corner where it says share. Now you have two options from here. You can simply click on share on social. Click on that, and if you can't find Mailchimp here, all you're gonna do is type it in. Right, that's one way. Now click on that, and you will need to be asked to log in using your credentials. Right, then the next option is basically just click on more option here, and then you need to hover down below. As you can see, there's Mailchimp here. Click on that. Now when you click on it, you will be given a notification here that you are making app permissions more transparent, because installed apps let you know what data they access, and all you're gonna do is select all pages, save. Now while it's loading, in a few seconds you will be asked to log into your Mailchimp account to give authorized access. As you can see, your design has been saved. You can continue editing, go to your homepage, or obviously view in Mailchimp, which we are going to do. Click on that. And once you've allowed access, you will be directed here on the Mailchimp account, which is, by the way, here it is. Now click on it to make sure that it's in the right file. You have the option to upload, import from URL. I'll obviously just click on it. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.